Hi guys, right, I just want to go through this question that a lot of you found difficult, the question 2 on the MyMaths. Let me just move myself over here. Okay, so it was the question 2 and it was the game, Ravi, I think he was called. When I went back on it just then, I've got different numbers to you, so you can go back into it and have another go. So here we go, here's the game. So Ravi creates a probability game for his friends to play using a set of picture cards. To make a hand, they pick one picture card from each of the 3 sets. So what you've got to think of is you've got 3 packs of cards. In the set 1, there's only 2 cards. One's a sun, one is a cloud. The next pile, you've got a sun, horse or rabbit. And then the third set is a lorry or a boat. What you've got to try and find out is what are all the possible hands that you could have if you pick one from each of the sets. So we want to do it in a really logical order. So what they've done first of all is written over here, look, they've gone sun, fish, lorry, and then sun, fish, boat. So let's look over here. They've gone sun, fish, lorry, the first one's in each set, and then they've kept the sun and the fish, but they could have sun, fish, and boat. So what's the next stage? If we do this logically, we would go sun, horse, lorry, sun, horse, boat. Then we would go sun, rabbit, lorry, sun, rabbit, boat. And if you look on here, that's what I've done here. So we've got suns all first. So in that first pack, we've got the sun out. And then we've gone, it could be fish, lorry or fish boat. It could be horse, lorry or horse boat. And it could be rabbit, lorry. Oh, we've got, that should be boat. That should be B there. Oh, let me go back. Sorry, that should be SRB. My fault. Okay, I could draw it. I'm not sure how to do it. But yeah, so you get the idea. And then we've got to do exactly the same, but if the first card was cloud. So then we would just go, all of these could be cloud. But it's these second ones that we're going to change. So we could go cloud, fish, fish, cloud, fish, lorry, cloud, fish, boat, cloud, horse, lorry, cloud, horse, boat, cloud, rabbit, lorry, cloud, rabbit, boat. Okay, and therefore we'd end up with this. Remember that should be B, that one. Okay, so then the prize they win depends on the hand they make. So these are all the possible outcomes that we could have. One of his friends is chosen at random. What is the probability that has a cloud and a boat? So all we do then is we look down here and see where we've got a cloud and a boat. So C and B, C and B. There's one, C, F, B. So that's 1. So I've got my finger up, cloud and a boat there, 2, and cloud and a boat there. So 3. So I would put in here 3 out of a possible 12 different outcomes. And then neither a sun nor a lorry. So neither a sun, well, it can't be any of those because there's a sun in all those. So neither a sun or a lorry. There's a lorry. Right, no sun or lorry there, so that's 1. Oh, it's a lorry. There's no sun or lorry. 2. There's a lorry. 3. So again, that would be 3 out of 12. Okay. Now, the final thing I just want you to look at is we've got 12 outcomes that we've found here, and we did it in a really logical way. If we look back to look at how many things we had 2, 3, and 2. 2 times 3 times 2 makes 12. So that's another way of knowing, because even if you didn't do it in that logical order, you did it a bit more random, you would know that until you've got 12, you haven't got them all. Okay, right, if you want to go back to that question, that'll be slightly different, I think, maybe not, and have another go at that one. Okay.